that. Like I'm still gonna do the work regardless. It don't matter what people think about me, because I know. I see everybody. Welcome to the room. I recognize your presence here. I'm just thinking, like, the times when energy is most focused, it's a certain times, you know, like any other time I would have like 10, 12 people in the room, but like there's just so much energy focused on this, you know. And it's crazy to me, because it's like everybody's so interested, like, you know, it's just become like entertainment, you know, our lives. But my whole thing, my whole purpose, since I started this mission, which is like self-improvement and growing and all this, you know, it was that. It was focused on that. It was centered around that. So I always try to bring it back to a lesson, you know. I always try to bring it back to a lesson, because that's what we're here to do. We're here to learn. And I feel the energy that people are sending my way, but I feel like it's genuine, but it's misunderstanding, and it's a lot of fear and just low vibrational stuff, like people talking. I'm not even gonna look at, because I know people are gonna be commenting all kinds of stuff, so just listen, I guess, if you can do that. Going to Costa Rica, leaving the place I was at, came from Southern California. I got 3 brothers, Mexican American, but Mexican household, so we were brought up with Mexican culture. Very loving mother. Father was there as well, just didn't know how to give love. It was never given to him. But it was a pretty, you know, decent upbringing, you know, compared to a lot of people, you know. So that's where I grew up. Eventually, I just came to a point in my life where I was seeking something. I was seeking help. Like, I was going through shit. You know, I was trying everything I knew within my own knowledge and understanding. And one day, my mom told me that my brother had changed. That she's like, I don't know what's up with your brother. Like, he's different now. Like, in a good way. Like, he doesn't get angry anymore. Like he changed. And I was like skeptical of meeting him, because I was like scared. There was something in me that was scared to see somebody change. like everybody want to change, but people don't want to do what it takes. It takes to change. But that moment for me was like, that's when I knew that you could change. That it don't matter.
Welcome everybody to the room. Welcome back to the light. Well, for me, it's welcome back to the light. I know most of y'all probably start your day, but it's 9 here, so welcome to the room. Hold on, I'm looking for my emoji. If you can't find the emoji I want to use. Welcome. Where's the emoji? I know they have it. Okay, there you go. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. I tell you, today has been a great day. TK, you're right on time. Yesterday I was supposed to go live yesterday. Yep. I was supposed to go live yesterday, and something had happened with Zen, and the way things were happening that day, it was all over the place, and it was truly a test to who I am, and it just showed me like who I was when I'm under pressure, and when whatever, I'm not going to tell you what happened with Zen, but I just want to let you know that it was a lot going on yesterday, and it really tested my faith, and it really showed me who I was, and it showed me who I was under pressure, because it doesn't matter what you go through and what you learn about yourself. You learning about yourself so you know yourself. It doesn't mean that part of yourself isn't going to go away, but the more knowledge you have about yourself and the reality, the more you'll be able to control, be aware of yourself, and then control how you're going to respond. And so the way life happened for me yesterday, it really showed me my growth. It really showed me that you got this, you know. And Zen was really showing me like, let's let go, just let go, you know. And I'm just so thankful. And so, as you see, today I'm going to cut my hair. And it's symbolic. Really, the hair and cutting your hair off is very symbolic to your life and to your journey, to your purpose. And I have a lot of destructive interference in my life. And as you see, my hair pattern is a destructive interference. And what I've been doing was, all of this is like an afro. And this is locks, and this is all afro. But I was flat twisting it and tucking it away. And that's very symbolic, because I was doing that to myself. I was doing that to my growth. I was just putting it together, tucking it away, hiding it, and trying to like appear a certain way that was not serving me. And so now today I'm making that proclamation I'm committing myself to my journey, to my mission. And my hair is just that symbolic to just let it go and be free and become, because now it's time for my rebirth. It's time for my faith to be reborn and to be renewed. Okay?